What is right is not always popular, and what is popular is not always right. Few are those who see with their own eyes and feel with their own hearts. Weakness of attitude becomes weakness of character. Nothing happens until something moves. Whoever is careless with the truth in small matters cannot be trusted with important matters. Two things are infinite: the universe and human stupidity, and I'm not sure about the universe. If people are good only because they fear punishment and hope for reward, then we are a sorry lot indeed. We all know that light travels faster than sound. That's why certain people appear bright until you hear them speak. Only a life lived for others is a life worth living. What a sad era when it is easier to smash an atom than a prejudice. I know not with what weapons World War III will be fought, but World War IV will be fought with sticks and stones. Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding. I'd rather be an optimist and a fool than a pessimist and right. We dance for laughter. We dance for tears. We dance for madness. We dance for fears. We dance for hopes. We dance for screams. We are the dancers. We create the dreams. Once we accept our limits, we go beyond them. A question that sometimes drives me crazy: am I, or are the others, crazy? A human being is a part of the whole called by us universe, a part limited in time and space. He experiences himself, his thoughts, and feelings as something separated from the rest, a kind of optical delusion of his consciousness. This delusion is a kind of prison for us, restricting us to our personal desires and to affection for a few persons nearest to us. Our task must be to free ourselves from this prison by widening our circle of compassion, to embrace all living creatures and the whole of nature in its beauty. Thank you for watching and for supporting us.